I love to make honey garlic chicken dish for my family because it's crazy easy, done in one pan, and the ultimate comfort food over rice. I hope you love it too. It's the perfect combo of sweet and savory with an insane sticky garlic sauce. Hey everyone, I'm Bori. If you are new, welcome. We are building something awesome here, and you can be a part of it from the very beginning. The best way to help this new channel grow is by hitting that subscribe button. It takes a second and makes a huge difference. And thanks a million. Let's fire up the stove and begin cooking. To make this tasty recipe, you will need the following ingredients. We have 6 pieces skinless chicken thigh. Feel free to replace them with chicken breast if you like. I like chicken thighs because they are juicier and tastier. 1/3 cups of flour, some parsley, chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1½ tablespoons of honey, 1½ tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now that all the ingredients prepared, let's begin cooking. Season this chicken with salt and pepper. Do the same on the other side. Next, we are going to coat this chicken with flours. Make sure to coat this chicken evenly, just the way I show you in this video. This chicken have been coated with flours and are ready for frying. The pan has been preheated on medium-high heat and ready. Add 1½ tablespoon of butter. Add chicken. Cook this for 5 to 6 minutes until golden brown. These are ready to flip. Looks amazing. Smells incredible. Cook this for 4 minutes. These chicken are done. We are going to transfer it to the plate. Add a tablespoon of butter. Add garlic. Fry this for about 30 seconds so that the garlic have a chance to release the flavor and aroma. Add honey. Soy sauce. Simmering this until the sauce is a bit thickened. Now add the chicken back to the pan. This dish is incredibly delicious. The chicken is juicy and tasty, coated with the savory sauce, and it looks amazing. I highly recommend you to give this recipe a try. It's ready. I'm going to turn off the heat. If this video helped you out, please share with your families and friends. And make sure you press that subscribe button so you don't miss my next upload. I am excited to see you in the next video.